continue to send your awesome questions for this MIB. They're just great. This is just great. I'm having a fun. All right, so let's move on to more messages. Yvonne Han from Singapore. So it's actually, this is for Cream Oppa.
Hello.
How is your arm? I mean, I can see that you have a cast on your arm.
Yeah. I got caught by glass. You know.
You got cut by glass.
So very 아팠지만.
Very hurt.
I'm getting better.
You're getting better.
Don't worry about my arms.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wow, you speak good English.
No, sorry.
No. So yes, Yvonne, you don't have to worry about it. But you got a lot of stitches. You got 20 stitches, right? 20번을 꼬맸다고. That's pretty deep. You got cut by glass, but hopefully it's okay. 지금은 좀 괜찮아지시나요?
Yeah, getting better.
Getting better?
Yeah.
All right.
Good.
So I know, seems like a lot of listeners are very worried about his injuries. But Yvonne, he says, don't worry. All right. From Singapore, thank you very much. And Abla from Morocco. 모로코에서 보내주셨습니다. Wow. Hello, M.I.B. So tell us about a funny moment you had while you were recording the music video of Chisa Bounce. Chisa Bounce 뮤직비디오를 찍으시면서 재밌었던 모멘트가 있었나요?
심스 그 장면 중에 되게 재밌는 장면이 있어요.
아 그래요? 뭐
심스가
있어요?
두 팔에 이렇게 죄수처럼 묶여있다가 갑자기 확 하면서 튀어나오는 장면이 있는데
확 하면서 튀어나오는 어떻게 튀어나오시나요?
그거는 보셔야 알 건데 진짜 보시면 알 수 있는데 정말 그걸 찍으면서 제 모니터 했을 때 너무 좋았었어요.
Alright, so Young Krim actually was saying that Sims, to one of the Sims part in music videos when he acts as a prisoner?
Yeah.
네네 이렇게.
Oh, like a what is that? The mental? Did you have mental mental hospital?
Yeah.
정신병원이요.
네,
그런 거였어요. 맞아.
Oh my goodness. So yes, he was a little wrapped by this little what is that? 그 소재가 뭐죠? 이게 뭐죠? 천이었나요?
네, 뭐 그런 걸로
천인데 이렇게
잘 안 뜯기는
압박 이렇게 해가지고
그러다가
벨트 막 다.
So it was like a belt that it was wrapped around Sims, and then it was not a prisoner, but he was into I don't know, psychotic, I don't know, something wrong with that, and then he was wrapped by this belt, and then all of a sudden there's a part when he just 갑자기 없어지나요? 저기가
그렇게 풀어요.
so he gets
그렇게 푸는데 이게 되게 덥고 막. 보셔야 됩니다.
Well, I mean, they're saying that he gets out from the belt, but Sims was like, you have to check it out because it's very hard to explain.
Yeah.
All right, so 크림 씨, 영크림 씨가 추천해 주셨던 거죠. So this is recommended by Young Cream. So please check that out, okay?
Yeah, it's good.
Let's go. All right, so Amal from Lebanon. All right, so here's the question. If you have a chance to go back in time, which moment do you like to go back to? 자, 우리가 또 도매니저처럼 순간이동을 할 수 있으면 어디로 갈까요? 강남 스타일. 삑. 강남 스타일.
어디로 갈 거냐고요?
어디로 갈까요?
하와이.
갑자기 잠깐만. 하와이? 아. Why?
날씨 좋잖아요.
그것 때문에. So he wants to go to Hawaii because the weather is good.
Yeah.
또 하와이에서 또 5년 동안 살다 왔어.
그럼
그래서 그랬구나. Okay, so he lived in Hawaii for 5 years. That's why he wants to go back. 그런 부연 설명을 해주셔야죠.
부연 설명?
보충 설명. 보충 설명.
예, 그냥
세츠메.
일본어 너무 잘하는 것 같아요.
Thank you. Well, how about you, Ozik?
저는 그 어느 나이로 돌아가는 것도 되는 거예요?
I mean, whatever.
저는 그러면 elementary school로 돌아가고 싶어요.
Oh, you want to go back to elementary school if you can?
Elementary school.
6th.
Yeah.
Wow.
Why?
그때 힙합에 빠지지 않았다면 난 여기 없었을 거야. 난 공부를 했을 거야. 난 의사가 돼 있었을 거야.
정말?
닥터? 여기 있기 싫다고?
아니 너무 좋은데
위험한 말 하지 말고
너무 좋은데 나는 의사가 되고 싶었어요.
어떤 의사요?
Are you serious?
예.
Oh my god, so this is surprising news because Ozing, he actually wanted to become a doctor.
4년을 같이 살았는데 처음 들었어요.
처음 들었어 나도 지금.
닥터란 얘기는 처음 들었어요.
제 입에서 닥터라는 말이 나오는 거 처음.
So Six was like
삼촌 때문에.
My uncle, 알잖아 너 알잖아.
삼촌 엉클이
My uncle is doctor.
엉클이 삼촌? 아니 의사셔가지고.
My uncle is doctor.
Okay, so actually, your uncle is doctor.
어릴 때 형을 고쳐줬거든요. 그래서 감동받아가지고 15번 들었어요.
Well, he got inspired by his own uncle. uncle because he treated him.
Yeah.
Right. He kind of did. All right. So what was wrong? I mean, did you had a surgery or?
머리
No, head.
어렸을
진짜?
때.
왜
네.
다치셔가지고?
5살 때.
그네
네.
타다가.
네.
Oh, so you fell off from the swings and then
그때
your
삼촌이
uncle.
예, 이렇게 해줬어요.
So your uncle actually he's a surgeon.
예,
그때부터 못 대줬어요.
Wow.
That's why.
That's why he became
There you
very
go.
bad
Yeah.
boy. Well, he's
Yeah.
not a bad boy. He's a nice guy. Are you a nice guy?
Yeah, nice guy.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
And,
오지, yeah.
and Simpson was like, I haven't heard about that, like about talking about doctors for 4 years. And then, but you know what? Well, that was his, own thing. So, I mean, so 6th grade.
Yeah.
If you didn't start hip hop, or
Yeah.
if you didn't start listening to hip hop music,
My
you're not
father
here.
gave me the Drunk Tiger CD.
Oh, so it's your father's fault.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
My father.
Let's talk to your dad.
Yeah, yeah.
Dad, why?
Yeah.
Because
No.
I can be a plastic surgeon이라다.
Yeah.
갑자기 선영수승이 나왔어요. I can be a surgeon, become a doctor, but why?
Why did
But
you
why not? Why not?
아, 근데 지금도 너무 행복해요. 행복한데 굳이 돌아가라 그러면
굳이 돌아가라고요?
예, 그때로 돌아가겠어요.
Alright, so that was Ozig's answer. If he really can teleport the moment that he wanted to go back, he will go back to elementary school. Alright, so very good. Alright, so one more question. Mauna from Tunisia. Tunisia에서 보내주셨어요. So, hello guys. I love your music so much. Each one of you have amazing character and special voice. But honestly, I like Gangnam Oppa the most, and I want to know if he wants to meet a Arabic fan and what he thinks about us. 자, 아랍 쪽에 분들 자 팬을 만나신 이게 참 무슨 질문인가요? 어떻게 생각하십니까? 자, about Arab fans, what do you think about them? 어떻게 생각을 하세요? Because this is from Tunisia.
Tunisia. Tunisia.
Tunisia. そうですよ.
そうですか. 너무 감사하고요. 진짜 만나고 싶어요, 한번. 네.
만나고 싶죠.
만나고 싶어요. 근데 지금 네, 좀 더 잘 되면 만나러 갈 수 있을 것 같아가지고.
그렇죠. 여기저기에선 좀 많이 콘서트
네.
하고
예.
그러면 얼마나 좋아요.
그러니까 이번에
그쵸.
좀 잘 돼야 돼요, 저희가. 네.
잘 될 것 같습니다. 제가 봤을 때
감사합니다.
음악이 너무 좋으니까.
만나러 가고 싶어요. 빨리.
만나러 가고 싶어요? Okay, so Mana, Gangnam was saying that he's very looking forward to see you guys if they get big or if they, promote more songs in the near future, he really wants to visit Tunisia or to meet Arab fans. Right. All right. Thank you, Gangnam. And one more question. Marika from Philippines. So
Hello.
here's the question. Is there any plans to have a fan meeting in Philippines? 자, 필리핀에서 혹시 팬 미팅 하시냐고 물어보시네요. 여기저기에서 난리 났었네요. M.I.B. M.I.B.
저희가 좀 잘 되면 갈 수 있을 것 같아요.
네.
갈 수 있을 것 같아요. 가야죠.
가야
And Gangnam was actually saying that if we get
이번에 그래서 잘 돼야 돼요. 네.
계속 if we get more popular, I will visit definitely. We will have a chance to visit different countries. But you know what? Especially in Philippines, I mean, the weather is great there.
Yeah.
So you can actually, rock and roll.
Yeah.
Look at that. I was gonna say, All right,
it.
so thank you for sending these lovely questions and messages. You guys continue to support our guests. Let's listen to Yes, that was Not Alone
You.
by M.I.B. So, yes, like I said, continue to send your lovely messages for these fantastic, awesome guys. I am really enjoying it. 지금
you.
즐거우시나요?
너무
happy.
Because it seems like I'm the only person who's really happy right now. So, hopefully. All right, so let's move on to more messages and questions. All right, so this is from Germany. 독일에서 보내주셨어요. And Catherine All right, so greeting for Cream Oppa, young Cream. How are you doing? Because a lot of people are very worried about your arm.
Yeah.
So you're fine?
I told you. I'm
I
getting
told you.
better. Yeah, I'm getting better.
그만
집에서 준비해
말해라.
온 거 같아요.
Don't-
그러니까요.
나 집에서 I'm getting better 이거 준비해 온 거
Yeah,
같아요.
그러니까.
don't worry about my arm. I can do it. I can do it. I
You
got a
can do
rhyme
it?
and I got a flow.
Yeah, go. That was young Cream.
Yeah, for real. Yeah.
So yes, everyone is fine, so don't worry about it. But thank you for worrying about it. From Germany, and
Thank
Catherine. And another Germany listener, Thuha. Okay, Thuha from Germany. I am super excited about your comeback. I really, really love your song. I got a question. Why you came up with what is that? The magnet?
Maginot line.
Maginot line, because it has a historical meaning too. Well, that's true. Say hello to your Germany fans. Much love from Germany. Love Duha. So please say hello to German fans. Hello.
Hello.
So
What it do?
So what about this song, the Maginot Line? Could you introduce a little bit about that song?
Yeah. 이거 그 앨범 타이틀이에요. 네.
Why did you come up with the song?
그러니까 그 뜻이 한국말로 이제 마지노선.
마지노선.
예.
마지노선이 뭘까요? 한국말로.
네. 그러니까
한국말로가 마지노선인데 뭐
예.
마지노선이 도대체 뭘까요?
그 뜻이 이제 그래서 그런 거죠. 이 선을 넘어가면 그러니까 원래 그 뜻이 있어요. 옛날에 막 이게 2차 대전
Deadline?
그런 거예요.
deadline.
비슷하게 한다면은 그런 의미인데.
Okay.
그래서 이 앨범이 어떻게 되냐에 따라서 M.I.B의 앞으로의 길.
Futurity.
Yeah.
Future.
와,
네.
이거 너무나
그러니까.
굉장한 미니를
우리 이번에
가지고
잘해야
있네요.
돼요.
네, 이번에
잘해야
진짜
돼요.
잘해야 됩니다.
잘해야 되고
아,
이번에
그러-
떠야 돼요. 네.
예.
Oh my goodness. So what this means, the deadline, and this is their deadline to become famous or not. I mean, you guys are famous. What are you guys talking about? Your songs
아니,
are very popular.
아니요.
But
아니에요. 더
더 잘해야 된다는 거죠?
more.
지금 유명하지 않아요.
네.
유명합니다.
네.
And Ozik is like actually saying that they want to become more popular because it really depends on this music. They want to start their popularity with this music. That's how they became with this name, Maginot Line. Oh my goodness! All right, so thank you very much. And one more question.
Go.
Zainab Hadihiri.
Wow. We haven't done it.
Oh my goodness. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong, but this is from Tunisia. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, she actually wrote the questions one by one. So this is question for Ozik.
Yeah.
If the other M.I.B member were girls, ooh la la, who would you ask for the date and why? 자, 저기 우리 M.I.B 멤버 중에 한 분이 여자였다면은 누구한테 데이트 신청을 하고 싶은지. Very unique question. Very good. Go ahead, Ozik.
없어요.
없어요.
그러니까 단 한 명도 없어.
Oh my
그러니까
goodness, why?
내가 예의상 하고
Sit down.
싶은데 없어요.
Ozik is like, I'm sorry, but no one. Dun dun dun. Oh my goodness, that's
그 중에
really
한 명.
sad. 그 중에 한 명. Just pick one.
Just pick one.
Just
Okay.
pick one. Come on, Ozik. I know you like.
만약에 데이트를 해야 된다면
If you date. 이렇게 어려운 거. Why is it so hard?
퀘스천이 잘못했어요.
question 잘못됐나요?
영크림.
Young Cream. Okay. And Young Cream is like, why?
Why me? Why?
Because-
Why choice me? Why?
나도 싫었어 근데.
근데 한 가지 reason을 된다면, okay, if you give me the one good reason why you pick Young Cream.
그냥
Handsome. I'm sorry.
그냥 재미가 없어요 사람이.
크림이가?
네, 재미가 없는 사람이라 그냥 가만히 그냥 조용히 그냥 데이트하고 싶을 때.
조용히 데이트하고
What about me?
You're bastard.
Don't say that. That's not good. Oh my goodness.
Just kidding.
Actually, Ozik was saying that Young Cream he's really quiet. He's no fun, so he wants to have a very quiet date. That's why he picked Young Cream. And Gangnam was like, "Why me?" And he's like, "I don't like you." But you know what?
No.
You guys are
근데
good friends, right?
형이 재밌어요.
Uh-huh.
The funny guy.
Oh, he's funny guy.
You too, bro.
Gangnam is
You're funny
Gangnam
guy
is
too,
funny
bro.
guy.
삐졌어.
참나.
All right,
Shut
so
bounce.
just All right, so that was it for the OSIX question, and the next one is for you, Gangnam. What kind of movies or drama do you watch? 자, 어떤 영화나 드라마를 즐겨 보시는지. How about the genre? What kind of style do you? Mellow, comedy?
And then 그거
아이 잠깐만 하지 마요. 무서워. 그런 얘기하지 마세요.
어른들이 볼 수 있는 거예요.
아 제발.
좀
Only
adults, only
그러니까-
adults.
어덜트 뮤비?
Adult movie.
형 고향에서 좀
Oh my
뭔가
goodness.
되게
Sorry.
Adult movie.
Adult movie.
Oh my goodness. Gangnam. But actually, what was the recent the newest movie that you saw? 제일 최근에 본 영화나 드라마가 뭐 있으세요?
그것도
뭐가 있지? 요새 뭐 봤지?
그 별에서 온 그대 봤어요.
별에서 온 그대?
아, 별에서 온 그대.
아 그거는 맞짱.
아, 극장이죠.
그 영화 봤잖아 부산 갈 때.
부산 갈 때 뭐?
뭐 영화 보는 것 같은데.
그거
아메리칸
말해도 돼요?
아메리칸스.
말해도 돼?
그럼요.
네,
타이틀인데.
아메리칸 하우스.
American Hustle. Very good one. Very funny movie, right?
Yeah.
So you do like funny movies.
Funny movie. I love funny movie.
You do like
Action
it.
movie.
Action movie.
Yeah, he's like funny movie and funny guy.
Funny guy.
You too, bro. You too.
And the drama that you saw, you who came from the start, you know, Kim Soo-yeon, you know.
김수영.
와우.
Do you, I mean, he's a guy, but wait, who was the main character?
전지현.
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 와우.
와우, 전지현.
와우. 와우.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. So, okay, so that
Nice.
was it for Gangnam. And Sims,
네.
what are you most afraid of? 제일 가장 무서워하는 거 or 두려워하는 것? 뭐가 있을까요?
높은 거요.
높은 거.
You're afraid of heights.
네,
네.
높은데 되게 싫어요. 진짜 제일 좀 안 좋아요.
와, 그러시구나. 그것만?
근데 그것만
Only that?
네. 그게 제일 싫어요.
Are you-
그 여자 무서워해요.
여자 무서워하고 술 무서워하고. Girl and alcohol.
Oh, really? You're afraid of girls?
어?
뭐가? 야, 뭔가 he loves girls and
He
alcohol.
loves girls. All right. All right. So that was it for the Sims and the Young Cream.
Uh-huh.
What is the one thing that you can change your mood in a second? 자, 기분 전환할 때 뭐가 제일 도움이 돼요?
그건 What?
아니 왜 이렇게 다들
What's funny?
Nothing is funny. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
그냥 저는 음악 들어요. 근데 음악이 힙합이면 되게 신나는 힙합 노래 들으면 되게 기분 전환이 되는 것 같아요. 그리고 약간 뭐 작지만 무슨 멤버들끼리 내기하면서 갬블 같은 거 하면은 작지만
너
가위바위보
I'm not playing games. Playing games. Playing games.
가위바위보.
Rock, paper, scissors. Okay.
그거 꼴밥 맞기 그런 거.
Okay.
예, 그런 거
꿀밤
하면
맞기. There's no group.
네, 그런
The flick. Okay.
작은 그런
I
거에서
love M.I.B.
되게
Yeah. Okay.
기분이 체인지 돼요.
Well, I mean, yes, Young Cream, he listens to hip hop music. Very good hip hop music. That always helps because listening, you guys are musician.
Yeah.
그러니까 음악 하시는 분들이니까 당연히
Yeah.
음악을 듣는 게 제일 좋은 그런
Yes.
네.
기분 전환이겠죠?
Yes.
감사합니다.
Alright, so to all members, do you know that you have many fans in Tunisia? 자, 투니시아에서 많은 팬들이 있으신 걸 알고 계셨습니까? 라고 질문하셨어요.
진짜 몰랐어요.
몰랐어요.
진짜 오늘 알았어요.
Yeah, they
너무
had no
고마워.
idea.
I
They
really
had no
wanna go
idea.
there.
Well, this is 아리랑 radio. Uh-huh.
야, there you go.
아리랑 radio.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right. So, well, it seems like Nerliana from Singapore was saying, Young Cream, are you okay?
I'm okay.
You know, I mean, your arms, and like a lot of listeners are very worried about your arms. All right. So, Anne Tran from Australia.
Yeah.
Hello, M.I.B. Awesome to have you on the show. Since April Fool is tomorrow, is there any prank M.I.B. members would like to play on each other? Who's the easiest to trick? Okay, 자, 만우절이
네, 네.
이제 곧 오잖아요.
네.
자, 거짓말을 한다면 누가 제일 쉽게 속나요? 여기에서 누가 제일 순진할까요?
심스 잘 안 속아요.
아, he doesn't. Okay, he's strong with the tricks. Okay.
눈치로
Sims-
살아왔어요.
Ah, so Sims is very fast. So who is the slowest member in this
오직
group?
형이 제일 잘 속을 건데 강남 형도 장난을 많이 치는 편이라서 잘 알아요.
그래요?
딱 알아요. 예. 강남 형 잘 알고.
Gangnam, he knows well about the tricks.
심스는 아니고. Yeah.
Maybe you, maybe Ozzy.
Me or
Young Cream?
Yeah.
저도 잘 속는 편이에요.
네.
언제 한번 속여 보셨어요? Have you guys ever tried to
예전에
trick people, trick other members?
두분 형 강남이 형이랑 오직 형이랑 방송할 때 그런 몰래 카메라 같은 게 있었는데 둘이
맞아.
싸우는 거였는데 심스는
맞아.
그때부터 뭔가 조짐이 있을 때부터 이거 몰래 카메라 아니야 이랬는데 전 끝까지 진짜 둘이 싸우는 줄 알고 오늘 M.I.B 끝이구나 막 이런 생각도
말리러
했는데.
가고 막 그랬었어요.
근데
예.
뻥이었어요.
아니 누구를 속이기 위해서?
그러니까 저희를 속이기 위해서
심스
짠
크림.
거예요.
예.
방송 같은.
Okay,
예.
this is really funny. So in some kind of a TV program, so they actually Ojik and Gangnam was fighting. That was like a the trick that that they wanted to fool this Young Cream and Sims. But Sims, he kind of knew it because he's fast. But Young Cream, he really thought this was really, really serious. So he's like, this is the end of M.I.B.
그 정도까지 아닌데 it's stupid.
I'm stupid.
Say that.
I think so.
goodness.
Yeah.
No, seriously. No. What was it about? 어떤 걸로 속이셨어요? 왜 갑자기 싸우셨어요? 뭐로 싸우셨어요?
돈 그 스크루지라고 놀려가지고.
아, 맞아.
돈 때문에 내가 다 기억해.
그러니까 속마음 인터뷰.
속마음 인터뷰를
그러니까 먼저 저랑 강남이 형이랑 그걸 연습을 했었죠. 그래서 어떻게 몰래카메라 할 것이냐 해가지고 이렇게 하자. 그래가지고 딱 했는데 이제 제가 이제 하여튼 그렇게 해서 결국에는 이제 영크림은
속았고 심슨은 좀 중간에 눈치를 채고
네네네.
yeah actually they were making the tricks about the not tricks but they were trying to fool with these two members Young Cream and Sims with the money. What I mean I don't know I'm not sure they remember the how they did that come out with the problems but actually Ozik and Gangnam was rehearsing, but at the end, Young Cream was the only person who got fooled.
Yeah.
All right, but I mean April Fool's Day is coming.
Yeah.
All right. So, anyways, that was it for the questions. What we are going to do is listen to one more track, 들이대. Woo! Right, 들이대,
Wow.
Man in Black by M.I.B. And I'll be right back.
Bass.
Man in black. Okay, 흔들어 제 머리 아픈 걱정은 붙들어 매그래 멋대로. Man in black.
Yes, that was Manning Blake. And it's already time to say goodbye. M.I.B. was joining us on the studio. Well, thank you for joining us. And you know what? This is the last question for, well, actually, the leader, Ojik, for you.
Yeah, okay.
So what is the goal? What is the goal of M.I.B?
그냥 일단은 그냥 잘 되는 게.
진짜 아까부터.
네,
Okay, to become more popular, right?
Yeah.
삐꾸레 맞나?
왜?
맞을까?
Be good?
아니, 지금 시간 없어. 조용히 해.
알았어요. 쓰면 죄송합니다.
Alright, so that was it for M.I.B. The last song that we are going to listen to is Celebrate M.I.B. featuring Yoonmire. But before that, we're gonna announce our answers to the quiz. Number 2, Tiffany. So congratulations to all the quiz winners on SoundK. So please check our website, SoundK. And tonight's program was made possible by